Recipe for Change is a community interest company that goes out to different venues and services, and we deliver hands-on food education. We've been out in the community, we've been delivering lots of projects. We just need a couple of plug sockets and a table. We like to design projects that are really client-led. It has been a bit of a journey. So originally, many years ago, I was a family learning tutor for Doncaster Council, where I did do a lot of community work. Subject specialism has always been hospitality and catering, and this is where my food knowledge really comes from. Unfortunately, I've had a bad time with my health over the past few years, and I had to come out of my role. But on the road to recovery, I actually learned with a couple of conditions that are now lasting to me, that food can be quite healing. And I started my passion and spark for food heightened more because I knew of the health benefits for myself.
Hello, I'm Anne Jones and I'm a volunteer for Age UK. I was asked to help Amy in her project of healthy plates at Scafworth Community Centre. To be a volunteer, yes, you learn from volunteering. It gets you out of the house as well. I mean, certainly for me, it got me out of the house. And I was able to take part in something that was useful as well, and I made a lot of friends as well. That's an important thing, yeah, to make friends and have a bit of a social life.
So I reached out to a lovely lady called Karen from the Well Doncaster team, and she connected me to the Community Wealth Builder. Their team have really helped support me with the knowledge and understanding of what different options that I had. All I went with is an idea to support food banks, but I didn't know of what I could have created and what we do now and what Recipe for Change is. Thankfully, with their advice and guidance and connecting me to other local CICs, we knew the route that we wanted to go down as a community interest company. So I did access some training from Community Wealth Builder, and that were to renew my level 2 food hygiene and some outcome star training.
The food bank's a lifeline for a lot of us. I really enjoy coming to see the cooking lessons because she knows so much about what she's doing. She's very, very knowledgeable about food, and I like the recipes she provides as well.
So we have lots of individual learner success stories during our session, but I think the most rewarding for me is when I learned that participants of our sessions have been recreating the dishes at home, not only for themselves, but for their families, children, and even friends. We're part of Doncaster Food Network, and it's been a great opportunity to meet other services and organisations. From that, we are hoping to work with the NHS. We've worked with Doncaster Age UK, the Stroke Association, and other health services. There is this real need and demand for food, nutrition, and healthy eating. Food costs are really high, and I personally like to cook as budget friendly as possible. It's not just focused with our food bank project. Throughout all of our courses, we try to use budget friendly ingredients.
It's brought me out socially again, back into the world, mixing with people, seeing that there is actually still a community left in Asken.